Hey friends, so for How to Kill a Kit with Style this month for November 2020, I am going to scrapbook my Halloween pictures. Now I don't have a huge amount of them, but I have 5 or 6 layouts I can do with them. So let me show you what my plan is. I am going to be using this collection here. It's from Simple Stories. It's called Happy Haunting, and it's super cute. I picked it up at Tuesday morning, and I got all of these pieces with it. I got the full collection pack, which is the papers and the stickers. I got this chipboard piece, which I'm telling you, the cream in the chipboard is so much more saturated than the cream in the papers. We're gonna get over it. And then I did get the full embellishment pack. So let me show you these pieces. And then I'm gonna bring in a few pieces from my Halloween bin. So let's start with this. The first piece is called Going Batty. So it's really nice bat garland, and the colors in the collection are cream, black, pink, and orange. And I'm planning on bringing in a little bit of other colors because I'm sure that all my pictures will not cooperate with that. So I have bats on this side, and I've got a really nice orange here with imperfect polka dots. Can you see how they're not quite like total like circles? So that's fun. Now this is one of the papers that I can almost get away with for non-Halloween. And I was looking at that with this collection, and I really liked it that they did that with a lot of the papers. So this one is called 4x6 Elements. This side is that off-white or cream with a nice spider web. And then this side has the 4x6 squares. So I do not do pocket life scrapbooking, but I do like to cut out pieces and use them. So like this notebook piece here is super usable. These pumpkins are adorable, by the way. So I have that. I don't know what the A and B sides, wait, that's A side and this is A side. So let's go with A sides to start. And then I will show you as I go that there's so many pieces in here I can use for non-Halloween, and I love doing that. So this is 4x6 Elements. We've got this great Halloween cat, and I have a picture of a cat. Do I have it printed yet? Of a cat. Actually, it's this cat, but the cat is in a Halloween house that I bought for her. It's my son's girlfriend's cat. I bought her a cute Halloween house, and she's digging it. So yeah, I got a scrapbook kink. And this side is just like a Charlie Brown chevron, which I love. I think that's so cool. And this collection also brought in gray, and gray is my all-time favorite neutral in scrapbooking. This one right here, it is 3x4 elements. I feel like I have to break up some of these elements cards because you can't even see what's what when they're together. Okay, a little bit better. So we've got these adorable little ghosties that say, hey boo, a nice circle piece, little poison pieces. So one of the cool things about these cut apart sheets, because I rarely use the 3x4 cards, every once in a while, but rarely. But you have all these things you can cut out, and they're super awesome. Now the back side is on a gray, and it's this really sweet floral, super usable. Now one more cut apart sheet. This one is 2x2 elements, and this thing is absolutely full of fussy cut icons. I really like that. So if I did not have the die cuts, but I do, I would be absolutely set with this. And the back side is just a really great dot, and you have a horizontal vibe going there. Next, this one is called Fright Night, and it is a great stripe. So it's black and slightly off-white with these little skinny lines, and I love that. And then the back side is a really nice deep orange with, they look like hand-drawn little stars. I think that's super cute. I'm gonna put that there to break it up a little bit. Next, this is called Bootiful. So it's a really great floral scene with that off-white. And I do like that some of the flowers are just like patterns. So we have like gingham and polka dot. And the back side is just a great gingham, super usable. And this is one of those papers I could use if I go through the kit and I use up whatever. I can put this into regular stash as just like a black and slightly off-white or gray. So let me break this one up with that so we can see our papers just a little better. Now, this one right here, it's called Witching Hour. So all kinds of text with Halloween words. Super cool though. I mean, you can use it as a block of text, and that is awesome. Great layout too, or background. Yet, there's an Argyle on here, and it's orange on orange with a little bit of black. That can go into like my fall stuff without a problem. So I do know I'm gonna have some fall pictures, and we'll see if I end up working this kit in or not. Don't know. I do like that I can though. All right, so then, let's see, a few more. This one's called Utterly Spooky. So black background with all kinds of the stars that are hand-drawn, all the colors in the collection. And the back is a slightly off white with imperfect dots. Super usable. This is called Jeepers Creepers. So it's a nice deep orange. And then we have, once again, really great patterns in these extra little floral bits. And the back is just black with an off-white leafy print. Super, super usable. Now, this one right here, it's called Hocus Pocus, and it's a really great giant stripe. So you could use this in any kind of a layout, or this in any kind of a layout. So it does not need to be Halloween, which I find to be awesome. And the back is a really great plaid. And finally, we have this one. It's called Happy Haunting to Die For. Really great black with orange spiderweb. And the flip side is this really nice orange on orange houndstooth. Super usable for any kind of orangey layouts. And hold on one second. My husband's going to come in. My puppy's sleeping behind me, so I have to shush him. Hold on. Now let's go ahead and bring that sticker sheet back that you saw in the beginning. And I love me a sticker sheet. And what's so great about them is if you don't have chipboard, you can pop them up on just a little bit of fun little cheap foam, and it does give you all the dimension that you need. So big fan of that. So let's take a look at these. This is like all one piece, these haunted houses. So that would be a great element on the bottom of a layout. Would make the whole thing. We've got banner pieces, cute, look at the cute little spider pieces. We've got some tombstones, so super great. We also have all these really good tabs down here that are easy to use. Now, I just ran out to tell my husband he had to be quiet because of the dog, which is hilarious, but anywho. This right here, like see these tabs going across? I would definitely, what I was saying, because I think I was talking, I got interrupted again. See how this tab here has these little stars? I would use that first, and as well as this this cute little one here with these spider webs. I would actually use those first if I were doing a layout where I could use them. And the reason why is like something like this or this I can use on any other layout. So I always like to try to get the ones in that are super theme specific and then go from there. Now, for the most part, this kit, except for a couple of the stars, I mean, it's super thematic, and yes, you can tell it's for Halloween. But that's just one of those little oddities that I do. Now, the next thing that came with this kit, and I told you guys, I think, that this was only $6.99 at Tuesday Morning, which is crazy, is this set of chipboard stickers. And they're going to tell me that their adhesive, like, works on them. It just never does. So go ahead and use some liquid adhesive on your chipboard. Anywho, so repeating stuff, we've got this great title here. We've got this really nice banner that you can attach with that banner and have banners going across your page if that's your thing. Cute little Spidey. That would be so cute in the corner of a photo if there's like dead space there. Anyway, so we've got some really great pieces on this. Looking forward to, oh, look at the little skeleton with the bow. Cute. And then finally from this collection, I have this set of 64 cardstock die cut pieces, lots of banner pieces, circles, journaling spots, all that kind of stuff. But look at how much stuff is in there. And a lot of the core looks like a white core. So I guess this collection goes back and forth, and that's fine. Now, the next thing to think about when I was looking at this, I was going to bring in a few more things. And I have this Halloween bin right here. And I'll show you some of that in a moment. But I did like in the bin, I had this set of stickers, and they're called Spooky, and they're glitter stickers, and they're on white foam. So right away, I get to bring in some sparkly bits, and I get to bring in some gold. So that's always fun. I have another color going, because this is a pretty limited palette. All right, then out of my bin, I found these Jolie's Boutique partially used stickers. I have one cute little skeleton. And is that a candy piece? It looks like a candy piece and a little pumpkin with an adorable little spider on it. Can you guys see that cute little spider? So I thought I could get that used. And that's allowing me to bring in a couple of different colors of orange and a little bit of blue and yellow from the skeleton, right? Then what else? Oh, I had these wood veneer left over, and I am telling you, I've had these for years. I have some things in this bin from a Scraptastic kit. And I'm saying, like, do you guys remember the Scraptastic kit clubs? This washi is from there, and how do I remember that? I have no idea. And so is this wood veneer. So that's been kicking around forever. And this is bringing in a little bit of green for me and a little bit of the purple. And now at the same time, I have this partial pack of, I feel like I'm talking so fast. This partial pieces from American Crafts. It's bringing in some more of that purple. And I believe it's the same line as this because the colors really go well. I don't know, but it looks like it. But this is allowing me to bring in a little bit of a different orange color and some more of that purple. So that's in my kit. Now, I think that's all that's in my kit. Now, I also wanted to show you that I would definitely be using to go with this gold, my favorite mist, which is this Jen Hadfield Gold Glitter Mist. I get this from Not Just for Boys Kit Club, by the way. And then in my little bin here, this is one of those iris containers, I have some different bits and pieces. So now I'm not going to put enamel dots with this because I don't have any Halloween enamel dots. But I do have some of these brads that I can try to use. Now these right here are cream, and I can use these black ones. Those colors work. And these, and I bet I could use these 3 darker brads. Now we'll see if I can squeeze in. I think this ghost would work. Some of the oranges just aren't quite right. And these definitely are off, but I can use the gray and black elements, maybe this cute little bat. So I'll be able to have some of those dimensional things. I've got some stars from here in the right colors. See, now this right here, this has a totally different vibe because the kit I'm using is super whimsical. But I picked these up, in 2018. Clearly don't love them that much. But there are some really cute little words. I don't even know if they work. We'll see. I've got other washi in here, but what my main idea is going to be, like, I don't even like this. Don't even like that. My main plan is going to be, though, that I'm going to go ahead. Oh, look, I have some puffies. That would be fun. To use what I have, and then when my layout's pretty much done, I'm going to come back to this bin each time and say, what else can I get in? Can I get some of these brads in? Can I get blah, blah, blah? Why don't I'm going to put those brads in with my kit. And then, like I said, I'm going to see everything I can use. And when I come back, when I'm done with the layout, I'm going to go ahead and say, all right, what else can I possibly sneak in from my other products? So I'm also going to go ahead and get some iris containers for this, the 4x6 photo ones, because I like to be able to rifle through. So I'll do that when I start doing my crafting. I'm putting all of these goodies in my handy dandy IKEA container. Usually you guys will ask what it's called, and it's spelled F-J-A-L-L-A. I do not know how to pronounce that. Does not matter. I just like the containers. And I actually have 5 of these in a deep gray. I would have liked them in white, but when I ordered them, they were in gray. So that is my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit this month. I'll have links down below for all of the other people that are participating this month. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them, and I'll get back to you as soon as I have a nice cup of coffee in front of me. All right, bye friends.